Hi everyone. In this lecture, I will discuss about external Ansible role from Galaxy. An external Ansible role is a pre-written collection of tasks, variables, handlers, templates, and files that automate a specific job, like installing Nginx, setting up Docker, or configuring a firewall. Ansible Galaxy is the official community hub where you can discover, download, and reuse these roles just like installing a Python package from PyPI. So instead of creating everything from scratch, you can simply pull in a well-tested, community contributed role from Galaxy. For example, gearlink_guy.nginx is a widely used role to install and manage Nginx on various Linux systems. So I will be doing a mini project. In that we are going to learn how to install and configure Nginx using an external Ansible role from Galaxy, specifically the popular gearlink_guy.nginx role. So what are the benefits of using external roles? Save time and efforts, follow community best practices, makes your playbooks cleaner and modular, ideal for production ready configuration. So that's all. In the next lecture, I'm going to do a mini project using external roles.